Hey everybody, Scott Orler here, back with another 2-minute Capture One video. And today we're going to talk about annotations. So annotations are the ability to draw and take notes on your image so that you can later go back and reference them or catch them in retouching. This is really handy if you have a team of people or if you're working with an external retoucher. You can make sure to note what you would like to have changed and they can handle it later. Depending on your workspace, you may not have an annotations tab. Another way to get it is to go to Window, Create Floating Tool, and choose Annotations. This is equivalent to right-clicking on any of your tools over here, choosing Add Tool and Annotations, but it will not add it directly into the stack on the side. The tool is fairly self-explanatory. Pick a color, pick a size, and then mark up what you would like. For example, I'm going to say the exposure here needs to be increased. I would like to, let's say we edit out the bra strap here, fluff her hair a little bit here, and maybe we'll have some skin here. And let's call that good enough. So you understand the ability to mark up the image here. You can also right click at any time, choose to change the tool without having to go and grab the tool directly. So if this is docked, then right clicking over here will allow you to grab the tool and make some changes without having to go back all the way to the side of the screen. Once you're done making annotations and you choose a different tool, the annotations can turn on and off if you hit the J key on your keyboard. At any time you're working with the tool and you'd like to undo all of your annotations, just simply click this button here to reset all of them. When you're ready to send your work over to Photoshop, you can click on your process recipe. But note in this case, I normally use a TIFF. So when I go to metadata to export and check annotations, it will actually open in Photoshop as one layer with annotations across the background, which of course is not very handy. However, if you export as a Photoshop document, a PSD, the option for annotation means that it will put it in a separate layer. This is a huge difference, obviously, so if you plan to use annotations, make sure that you export as a PSD document if you plan to have them working in Photoshop. Once again, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave in the comments below. And if you keep on liking these, I'll keep on making them. Take care and stay safe.